We're in the Bronx, New York. In a city that's under constant development, the future is taking form with the transformation of street blocks into micro-communities. What used to be a couple of underused commercial properties is now a grocery store, laundromat, a daycare, charter schools, youth center, residential units, and a walk-in clinic. How does a New York City real estate developer and management company streamline their workflow when they're handling multiple projects, clients, construction sites, and occupants? What matters to the people living, working, shopping, and going to school in these spaces? Meet Neisha Mejia. She's a project manager at Pillar Property Management in New York City.
We have projects all over the tri-state area, and we not only develop, but we also maintain and do the property management of our buildings. We do commercial, residential, and school projects, and we've done about 10 schools now.
We're sitting in one of the schools Neisha helped project manage. It's a charter school, which are becoming popular in New York as families are seeking more options for their children's education.
This charter school is 50,000 square feet. It has 7 floors. It's an elementary school, and there's about 500 students. After we have selected a charter school to work with, the first step is to guide them through a design process that will satisfy the space needs of their students. After this, we go through the process of selection of material and finishes, where they have the opportunity to visit our existing locations and see the material options already installed and how well they're performing for the other schools. As developers, we're very mindful of the cost of our materials, but as managers, we're also very interested in the performance of these materials over time.
One of the biggest material selections covering the largest square footage is flooring.
The schools that come in have a very tight schedule because they need to start the school year, specifically in the fall. Using the rubber flooring has actually reduced the construction time. It can be installed in just a couple of hours, and it can be used immediately after. We exclusively use installers that have been to the NORA Installation Academy. The benefit is that the actual manufacturer can teach the installer the perfect way to deal with this material. We have many projects, so we're always actively searching for the best materials to include in them and create, if we can say, our perfect formula. It makes it easier to just repeat that formula, standardize our processes, and continue doing projects with the products that work for us. The teachers are very happy with the floor in the new school. It's a major difference from the location they were in before. They were in VCT, and every time a kid moved a desk or a chair, it would have a mark on it and the floor would stain. But with the NORA flooring, they're able to do a lot of activities on the floor and move their furniture around, and they don't have that kind of damage to their floor. The main difference between the VCT flooring and the rubber NORA flooring is that it takes about $1 per square foot to maintain the VCT flooring per year. And when you have a building like this, which is 50,000 square foot, it adds up and it becomes a very large cost. With the NORA product, we don't have to invest in long-term maintenance because it can be so easily maintained with just light detergent and water. Since we don't have to use any special equipment or products to maintain the floor, it's very easy to train our team to take care of the floor. You can see the difference in how the lighting reflects on the space, how the acoustic quality is better. We've had a very good experience with the flooring in terms of slips and falls. We've had a great experience with the NORA system. They're very involved with us through the whole process. They go to the construction site and they make sure that the conditions are ideal for the installation of their product. They actually make visits after the installation has been done to make sure that the floor is performing. So we always try to recommend it to our clients to select it for their projects.